안녕하세요 everyone, this is Gia. Today, I'll show you how to make Neobiani gui, which is also considered the king's barbecue. Long before, the meat slicers didn't exist, so beef was carefully sliced by hand and served as a royal dish for Korean kings. This is the beef that I'll be using today. The beef was in the freeze for about an hour and so because it makes it easier to cut. I'm going to cut this in half and thinly slice, about 3 millimeters, like this. Just like that. Now, tenderize the meat by pounding it gently with the back of the knife. Transfer the meat to the butt. In a bowl, I'll prepare a mixture to tenderize the beef. This is Asian pear juice. If you don't have it, you can substitute it to a cooking wine. Brown sugar, and this is honey. Honey helps to keep the barbecue moist. Mix well. Brush the mixture to the beef. This is the first mixture that you'll need for Neobiani gui. And then pour the remaining marinade into the tray and gently shake it so the other side of the meat get marinated as well. And we're going to put this aside for 15 minutes. Okay. We'll need a little bit of minced garlic. Let's also prepare the chopped green onion. There's minced garlic and green onion in the bowl. Combine it with dark soy sauce, finely ground black pepper, and sesame oil. Mix all well together. This is going to be the second sauce, the sauce mixture to the beef. Now I'm going to brush the sauce to the meat. The reason we marinate the meat into 2 stages is that the sweet ingredients are absorbed into the meat faster than the salty ones. This method allows the flavor to penetrate more evenly and helps and keep the meat more tender. Okay, now I'm going to put this aside, marinate for an additional 20 minutes in the refrigerator. Grilled green onion goes perfect with this beef dish. So cut the green onion into 2-inch length. Heat the pan over medium heat. Add a little bit of oil to the pan and place the green onion into the pan. Cook until they soften and turns fragrant. I think they're cooked. Transfer this to a plate and I'll continue to cook the beef. Heat the pan over medium to medium-high heat and you want to add the beef into the pan. Don't pour in the sauce. Sort of drain the sauce like that and then put this on the pan. It's done. Okay. Before adding the second batch of beef to the pan, wipe the pan with a paper towel. Again, add the beef to the pan. Because we added the honey and sugar to the sauce, the beef has been caramelized nicely like this. Add a few slices of beef into the plate, just like this, and the green onion at the side. Enjoy the royal court style of bulgogi, Neobiani gui. This dish was made with a quality beef and a flavorful marinade. If you have a chance to cook this over the charcoal, it tastes the best. So if you're planning to do a barbecue during the weekend, give the Neobiani a try. You'll love it.